Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So before getting into this, I want to show you that I have already prepared exam preparation video for cloud computing part 1 and part 2 is also coming soon. So I hope you use this opportunity to get access to this. So these are only members. You can see here cloud computing preparation video already uploaded. Guys, these are completely MCQs, so there is no need to read the content. So it is a hard task to read the lot of lines of content, right? So I have prepared the content in the form of MCQs so that it will be easy to attempt in your final exam. I hope that. So these are only accessible for members, and not only this, every video can be accessed by single price only, that is just 89 only. With just 89 rupees you can get access to all these videos, not only single video, all course videos you can get only for 89 only. So in order to access that, just go to our channel page like this, and beside the subscribe button there is join button, click on that. And there are three types of packs available, 89 and 1. If you want live videos also, you can join 119 pack, so that if I upload any live videos you can get the join access to that. If you want only recorded videos, just go to the 89 per month pack and click on join button. That's it, you will become member of our channel. So guys, I hope you use this opportunity to the great extent. You can see already many members have joined. Guys, this is just a top 80 it is showing, but many people have joined. There is no space for this to show them. So I have uploaded many videos regarding that. One of them is cloud computing. So I hope for many of you people it is a semester subject. So if it is your subject in your semester, then please ask your friends and also classmates to join, so that I can do better videos for part 2 and other parts if possible. So it will be encouragement for me if you join more people, so that I can give better MCQs compared to the part 1. Part 1 is so good, but if you give more encouragement, then I will become make the videos much more better than this. So hope you use this opportunity and join in this, and please share this information to your friends and make them join in this. Just with 89 pack per month you can get all these access to the videos. So hope you take the good advantage of this and join in that and get good practice ahead of the final exam. So hope everyone will do good in the final exam. So on that note, let's get into the solutions now. So this is cloud computing week 8 assignment. So friends, till now I have given solutions with lot more accuracy, and I hope it will continue till the last week. So let's see the first question now. For sensor resources that do not have direct connection to the cloud, sensor network proxy provides the connection. Is it true or false? So the statement is absolutely true. So mark option A as correct answer for first question. Guys, I hope every solution is almost 100% correct, but if you want to make me any suggestions, you can do that in the comment section. So if I get any update, I will do that. I will give you in the comment section. So before the final submission, once again check the comments if I make any update or not. But most likely there will be no necessity will come to change, but if there is any rare change, I will mention in the comment section itself. So let's see the second question. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. So second question, the given statement is also true. So mark true as the second question answer. That is option A again. So moving on to the third question. What does PS signify as per container terminology? So what does it mean by the symbol PS, the term PS? So PS means it is the list of all running containers. The term running is important here, guys. PS means a list of all running containers. So mark option B. Moving on to the fourth question now. So fourth question, they have given two statements. First one, sensor cloud proxy exposes sensor resources as cloud services. So the first statement is correct. And let's see the second statement now. Sensor network is still managed from the sensor cloud interface via sensor network proxy. It is also true. So that means the final answer is option C. Both statements are true. So mark option C as correct answer for fourth question. And let's move on to the fifth question now. So fifth question, choose the most appropriate option. So first statement, an image is a lightweight standalone executable package that includes everything to run a piece of software. So it is absolutely true. And next question, next statement, statement number 2, container is a runtime instance of an image. So it is also true. That means option C again. Both the statements are correct. So mark option C. So let's move on to the sixth question now. So sixth question, sensor data can be easily shared by different groups of users without any extra effort or measure. So sixth question statement, they are saying that sensor data can be easily shared. It is not the correct one because it is cannot be shared easily. Cannot be shared. But they given can be shared. So it is absolutely false. So mark option B. So let's move on to the seventh question now. So seventh question, an IoT platform's basic building block is or basic building blocks is or. So which of the following four options is or the basic building blocks of an IoT platform? So here there are two answers. Option A, gateway, and the other one is option C, network and cloud. Actual answer, the another answer is things, but they did not mention things. So only these two are the one parts of components of building blocks. So mark A and C. So let's move on to the eighth question now. Docker RMI is used to delete a local dash. So which is uh, RMI, Docker RMI is used to delete what? A local image, local container, local volume or local node. What is the answer? So the answer is option A, local image. So here the answer is option A, local image. So next question. In the context of green cloud computing, the power usage effectiveness is defined as, guys, it is in short we can write as power usage effectiveness, PUE. What is the formula for PUE? So the answer is option B, overall power divided by power delivered. So mark option B. So moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th question. Vehicles providing their networking and data processing capabilities to the other vehicles through the cloud come under which service of IoT based vehicular data clouds, whether it is SaaS, PaaS or IaaS. So guys, before getting into the answer, as I mentioned above in the video, so if you want to join to get this completely NPTEL based designed syllabus for NPTEL students, the cloud computing part 1 of the video, that will help you to probably pass the exam if you work hard regarding this and try to remember these MCQs. So you want to get access to this, you can click on join button, go to the 89 rupees or 119 per month pack. If you want live videos also, if I upload 119 you can choose, or if you want only recorded videos, just click on 89 per month pack and click on join and make payment. That's it, you will become member of our channel. So hope you use this opportunity and become members in order to get access to all these videos, not only single course, all the courses that I upload you can get access to that. And share this news to your friends also and classmates if it is your semester subject. So try to add more persons to get encouragement to the better videos from part 2 onwards. So let's see the final question answer. Answer for 10th question is third option, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So mark option C as correct answer for 10th and final question. So friends, these are the solutions for week 8 assignment answers. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this to your friends. So as I said, if you want to access these videos regarding cloud computing and other courses, you can join in our channel membership with just 89 per month pack, so that you can get lot of benefits regarding the accessibility to these videos. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.